We are the young people in the lead team, working with the National Lottery Community Fund Wales to make sure that young people's voices are heard.
In autumn 2020, we had in-depth conversations with 60 young people in Wales about what matters most to them.
We found out that the most important things were mental health, employment, and the environment.
These all fed back into mental health, which is why we chose mental health as our focus.
Mind Our Future is a £10 million grant programme which aims to improve the voice of young people in Wales.
Buom yn gwrando ar ein cyfoedion ac yn rhagweld y bydd y rhaglen yn gweithio tuag at ddyfodol mwy gwydyn a meddyliol iach i'n cenhedlaeth ni.
This is really important because we're the ones who'll be around in the future, and decisions made now will massively impact what happens for the rest of our lives.
Here are some of the things we are looking for from partnerships that are applying to Mind Our Future.
We want to see that they know how to make their activity completely accessible to all groups of young people.
Da ni isio dallt sut fydden nhw'n gwrando ar bobl ifanc a sut fydden nhw'n addasu I cynlluniau'n gyson o ganlyniad I hynny.
We want them to understand how to bring different groups of young people together, give them a sense of belonging, and make them feel part of a community with one another.
To find out more about Mind Our Future, visit www.tnlcommunityfund.org.uk/youth-resilience.
I gael gwybod mwy am meddwl ymlaen, ewch I www.tnlcommunityfund.org.uk/gwydnwch cysylltnod ieuenctid.